So, I don't know how many of you guys heard about this, but yesterday in Hawaii, there was a ballistic missile warning that got sent to everybody's phones that read, "Warning, ballistic missile inbound, seek immediate shelter, this is not a drill." They're right, it wasn't a drill, it was just a complete mistake. Someone pushed the wrong button was their official excuse, and all of a sudden the entire state of Hawaii was in a panic for 38 minutes until they sent another message to everyone's phone saying that it was a mistake. 38 minutes! I find it just shocking and hilarious and a little bit concerning that just some employee at the government agency pressing a wrong button can send a missile warning to everyone's phones and have the entire state in panic. Apparently people were leaving their cars in the middle of the street and trying to find shelter, but you know, it was just a mistake. So no ballistic missile hit Hawaii. That's the good news. The bad news is though, I woke up this morning and we got a nice fresh little dusting of snow outside. So this morning I am heading out to the other end of the city to meet up with a guy that's selling me a pair of shoes. I saw it on the local Winnipeg Facebook group. It was an amazing price. It's like 75% off of retail. It's a pair of shoes I've wanted for a long time. So I'm gonna head over there. I'm gonna pick up the shoes. It's a good morning. I actually woke up on time today. This past week I've been sleeping in until like 9:30 to 10:30 every single morning. Most mornings I try and wake up at 8 o'clock sharp just so I can get on with my day, be productive and do stuff, but I've been in some sort of weird funk the past week or so. So I've been sleeping in till like 10 o'clock most days, but I feel a lot better. Woke up on time today. We're gonna go over there, grab some shoes. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. And if you guys want to, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, just like you see right here at TheRealRayRay20. But I have a lot of driving to do. Let's get over to the other end of the city and pick up some sneakers. Oh, it is so windy outside. It is so windy outside. Oh my goodness. I tried putting the dead cat on the mic and filming outside. It's not happening. We're sitting in the car right now, guys. It is freezing. But we got the pair of shoes right here. Now, this is a pair of shoes I already own. I'm going to keep that 100% honest with you. I already own this exact pair of shoes in this exact colorway. And you might be like, Tom, why would you buy the pair of shoes twice? One of them I want to wear casually. This one I want to play basketball in, and I got this for an amazing price. I paid $40. $40. That's it. That's all. Cash, shoes, $40. So I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Let's pull these guys out right now and take a look at what they are. If you guys have seen this box before, you probably know what's inside of here. It is a pair of LeBron 11s. Now, I just want to tell you right now, these are not in excellent condition, but I paid $40. So really, what are you going to expect? You're not going to expect a brand new pair of shoes for $40. This pair sort of beat, but I'm going to play basketball in it for 5-6 months and give it away, throw it out. I don't know, set it on fire, keep it as a memorabilia piece, probably just give it away. Speaking of giveaways, like I'm not going to give it away to one of you guys. I'm going to give it to a homeless shelter or something. It always really annoys me when people are like, are you gonna do a giveaway? Are you gonna do a giveaway? Are you gonna do a giveaway? Like, I may do a giveaway, I may not do a giveaway. There's this guy I've recently been playing basketball with, and I guess he watches some of the videos, and every single time I've seen him at basketball, he asks me, when's the next giveaway? And it's very clear the priority for the content for him is watching to get a giveaway, not watching to enjoy. So I will do giveaways here and there, except I want you guys to watch because you want to watch. I don't want to start every single one of my videos with, hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a huge Hypebeast giveaway. I'm giving away all this stuff. You just need to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, like, huge Hypebeast giveaway. Like, that's not genuine growth. That's people subscribing to your channel because they want to win free stuff. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I'm extremely thankful for that, but subscribe solely because you enjoy the content, not because you think you're going to win anything. That being said, this pair of shoes right here, a little bit dusty. I'm probably gonna have to give these a decent clean, but that being said, it is the LeBron 11 South Beach. So we are back in the sneaker room, and lots of you guys may be asking yourself, don't you already have a million pairs of LeBron 11s, Tom? And the answer would be yes. And you also may be asking yourself, why don't you just play basketball in one of the pairs you already own? And the answer to that question is a little bit longer. And the answer would be, the LeBron 11 is a very important shoe to me, holds a special spot in my heart. It's my mom's favorite shoe that I own. It's the shoe that really got me into collecting sneakers. It's the shoe that gave me a decent amount of notoriety on YouTube back in the day when I was unboxing and reviewing all of them. It got me several thousand subscribers, which at the time was a lot, and it's just a special shoe to me. So all these shoes, I should really wear them more. I've been wearing my King's Pride a little bit lately, the ones that were gifted to me, but I should really break some of these out more. I want to keep those in good condition. Wearing them casually I'm fine with, but playing basketball in them, they're going to get scuffed, the Hyperposit paint is going to chip off, and they're just not going to look as good anymore. So I do have a couple double ups of LeBron 11s. A few months ago, a clothing company that sent me some clothes was also nice enough to send me a pair of LeBron 11 graffitis. These were already worn, and they're perfectly fine to wear casually. I might actually sell these really cheap next time at a sneaker event for like $30 or something like that. They're perfectly fine to wear casually, except you start playing basketball in them, and there's something wrong with the heel cup where it starts digging into your foot, and I was unable to play basketball in these. It gave me a really bad blister. It dug into my foot, and it was not happening. I had a big blister on my heel the 2 or 3 times I played basketball in these, so I can't play basketball in the graffitis. So those are out of there. The other pair I have a double up of is the LeBron 11 King's Pride. This is the most meaningful pair of shoes in my collection. This is the original pair that I have, and then I was gifted another pair last month. So I want to keep both of these. I'm going to keep these in perfect condition. I'm going to wear the other ones whenever I feel like it, but I want to keep those looking nice so I can wear them. So I'm not going to play basketball in these. These are off the books too. Now the final one would be the South Beach. So now I finally have a second pair of a pair of shoes that I can just beat up and play basketball in. I'm gonna clean those up. They're gonna look a lot better than they did originally when I took them out of the box. This is my original pair. This is the pair I bought back when I was in grade 12, or maybe it was like the summer after I graduated. I really don't remember, but I was spending so much money on these shoes back in the day. You have no idea. Like, I didn't have a job in high school. I had some money saved up. I score kept basketball, which probably made me $200 a month, score keeping basketball. And I made YouTube videos, which probably made me $200 a month. So on my $400 income, I was honestly spending 100% of the money I was making on LeBron 11s. I was an idiot. In the long run, it paid off, but there's no way I could have told you back then that it was gonna pay off. I was just crossing my fingers and hoping. I'm gonna buy shoes that I like, I'm gonna share them with you guys, I'm gonna make videos that I like, and hopefully you guys will like them too, and you did. Spending 100% of my income on LeBron 11s somehow paid off. I would not recommend you guys do the same on any pair of shoes, but the LeBron 11s is a very special pair of shoes to me, so I'm very happy that I now have 2 pairs of the South Beach. You guys will catch me playing basketball in these things non-stop until they fall apart, I guarantee you. This is going to be one of the only basketball shoes I play in. Probably like 75% of the time I'm on court, I'm going to be wearing my LeBron 11 South Beaches. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. And until then,